Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the UF300 by Acer. And this is one of the coolest looking pen drive which I have seen, and you can get this particular pen drive on a discounted rate on Amazon. Maybe it is around like 520 rupees or something. So check out the link in the description, guys. And I think this is one of the best looking pen drive because this got some red dot award for its design, and I think this is one of the best looking pen drive available from Acer. And I got the 64 GB variant because I just wanted to test it before I put my hard earned money on Acer. And as you can see, guys, the build is extremely superb. So I was not expecting this kind of very good design from Acer, but Acer surprised me with this. And the build quality is quite good, and this just feels right in the hand. And as you can see, the lanyard strap is also very stylish, and as you see over here, and this is the outstanding, like, the main focus part of this particular pen drive. And I have never seen any pen drive looking like this. And as you can see, the build quality, I'm trying my level best to press it, and it is not getting bent, guys. So in terms of the design and the build quality, it is full marks from my end. And as you see over here, this is very good pen drive. I would definitely recommend this USB 3.2 Gen 1 pen drive, but again we'll do a speed test and we'll compare it with other pen drives in the future also. And as you can see over here, this is a USB A. I wish there was a Type C version of this particular pen drive. And those people who are worried about the make of this pen drive, this is made in China, and I'm just expecting this to be like as fast as other Acer drives. And in my case, guys, I think I'm already impressed by the design. And let us just show you what is the capacity which we get over here. Again, I'll go to the properties. Again, I'm doing this on Windows, guys. As you can see over here, this is the exact capacity which you get it, the formatted one. I have not done any alteration. And for 64 GB, it is FAT32 file system, so you can definitely connect it with the TV. So here I'm using peak performance in Crystal Dismark to get the maximum performance of this particular pen drive, guys. So technically this is like a theoretical testing speed, but then again this will show me what's the max I can get out of this pen drive. And when I was doing a testing, I didn't feel the heat of this particular pen drive, and this runs very cool, which in my case is a plus point. Again, if you like this kind of videos, guys, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates. Also, you can follow us on social media. We are a bit active over there, and you all can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at the rate Creative Soft, and which would help my channel a lot. And personally speaking, guys, if you see just the read speed, it is 111.75, which is in my opinion for a Gen 3.2, sorry, Gen 1 of USB 3.2 is quite a bit fast. So I wouldn't complain about it. And out of the box, those people who are like wondering whether I can connect this with the TV, yes, definitely you can connect it because it is having FAT32 file system. So what it does is, most of the older TVs, they use this particular FAT32 file system. Due to this, many people have some issues, etc. And if you all want to get this particular pen drive, guys, I think this is perfect if you want to connect it to the TV. So you all can check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon. And I think some discount is provided, but I believe like this is one of the best pen drives available from Acer in terms of the build quality, because the previous one Acer which I used had some issues, like the top part was made from something like a plastic, which I did not like it. But then this is definitely a very impressive pen drive. I wish Acer makes a Type C, like solely just a Type C version of this particular pen drive, and which I can use it with my MacBook. Now I'm using it with the OTG connector, and like I'm using Thunderbolt for testing this particular pen drive. And as you can see, the write speed is quite impressive, like 49.64, which is around 50 Mbps, I would say, guys. And read speed of like around 110 or 11 versus write speed of 50 is quite bit okay in my case, guys. And I don't think so this pen drive is a bit slow for it. This again, guys, for that particular price, if you are willing to pay some 100 or 200, you can get those dual USB ones, and those are better just in case if you want to connect it to your Android devices and all. And you all can definitely get this from Amazon. So check out the link in the description. Let me know in the comments below what you think about other pen drives, whether you are thinking of getting this or not. In my case, guys, I feel definitely this is the most impressive pen drive from Acer, and again, I have no complaints. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and also do check out all these other videos which we have it related to pen drive. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular pen drive, or if you all want me to do a test this with something else. Again, thanks a lot for watching this video and see you in my next video.